Drones are an incredible way to tell a story through video or to document your travels. Hundreds of thousands of drones are owned in the United States, and many of these are used by travelers while on holiday. Transporting these nifty little devices on an airplane should therefore be simple and straightforward, right? Well, wrong. The government has rules and they can be confusing, so let's simplify and demystify the rules that apply to drones when boarding an airplane. When you take your drone with you on board a passenger aircraft, your drone might be considered a dangerous good. And the reason for this all comes down to the batteries, specifically the lithium batteries. You can take your drone on an aircraft either as carry-on luggage or place it in a checked bag. But how you travel with your drone depends on a number of rules. According to the FAA, if your drone batteries come in below a capacity of 100 watt-hours, you can carry as many as you want on the flight. However, if your batteries are between 101 and 160 watt-hours, you can only bring up to 2 per flight. When you board an aircraft, you must take out the drone batteries and put them in your carry-on bag. To protect the lithium batteries from a potential short circuit, you must leave the batteries in their retail packaging, cover the battery terminals with tape, use a battery case, use a battery sleeve in a camera bag, or put them snugly in a plastic bag or protective pouch. It's very important you check your airline for specific airline requirements for bringing lithium batteries on board in your carry-on baggage. You will find some consistency among the airlines, but there are a few variations depending on who you're traveling with. If you're traveling with lithium batteries with more than 100 watt-hours but less than 160 watt-hours in your carry-on baggage, you must first obtain approval from the airline. Do not pack more than 2 spare batteries with more than 100 watt-hours. So what about the drone itself? Well, when packing a drone in either your hand luggage or checked baggage, you must follow the following procedures. Make sure the drone is turned off, obviously, and any switches are protected from accidental activation. You may consider getting a special drone carrying case to protect both the drone and also make it easier to remove for inspection. Check with your specific airline regarding their rules for allowing drones in your hand luggage or checked baggage. Some permit drones only in hand luggage. The key to any efficient travel is to understand the rules and procedures and abide by them. If you understand wattage hours of your batteries, how to transport the batteries, the number you're permitted, how to travel with the drone body itself, and what rules your airline follows, traveling with a drone can be far less stressful. Good luck, and for more travel and drone-related videos, please subscribe.